What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on the Sandbox, also known as Sand, which has pumped up quite a bit earlier this morning, as you guys can see, and right now is taking a slight dip. Overall it is up 32% and has gone up to 54 cents in value over the last 24 hours. So we'll be looking at what is next for the Sandbox. Is it likely to break out heading to the dollar mark later on in November, for the rest of 2024, and also looking at early 2025, what can we expect from the Sandbox, and looking at, is this a good investment going into next year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit a target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, just a little disclaimer, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the Sandbox chart here, we have the RSI at the bottom and we have the Bollinger Band at the top. So what this tells us, as you guys can see, the Bollinger Band is currently at 65.25, which is not too bad. It is pretty much on target. However, going up here, we can see that the crypto is trading way above the Bollinger Band upper bound here, which means it is slightly overvalued and in for a little bit of a correction over the coming days. So early to mid next week, the crypto should be able to pull back a little bit down to below 45 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to trade at. So at the moment it is at 54 cents, so dropping back down by around 9 cents in value is what is predicted at the moment. Especially that Bitcoin has also taken a little dip down to $96,000 right now. This should have a slight negative impact on the crypto market, nothing major, but I'm expecting a little pullback from the Sandbox over the next couple of days, unless we see Bitcoin pumping up to the $100,000 mark, which I'm not expecting until mid to end of next week. So the market is likely to stabilize over the coming days, and as mentioned, it is like the Sandbox is likely to go through a little bit of a price correction. So also we have the DMART chart here, which is the value in green on the side at 45 cents. That is the average value that the Sandbox should be trading at with the current market status, and Sandbox as well. However, it is trading at 54 cents, so the value difference is quite high from my prediction. So that's why I'm expecting another little pullback from the Sandbox over the coming days, dropping down to around 45 to 47 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by start to mid next week, which is essentially over the next 2 to 3 days. So bringing back the MACD indicator here, we can see the lines are looking very bullish. So towards late November, early December, we should see a pump back up in value to over 50 cents and potentially hitting 60 cents by mid-December, and towards the end of the year it should be able to head up to around 70 to 73 cents in value is what I'm expecting or predicting at the moment, unless obviously we see a crypto crash or a bull run or anything like that. But that is why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart and get rid of the MACD indicator here. So as you guys can see, literally over the last week, the crypto has been performing quite well. However, there has been a few times where it has taken a slight dip, such as right now it is going through a little bit of a dip, as you guys can see here, and this is basically the lowest point that it's been at. And if I was about to draw arrows, yes, it has been fluctuating, no major movements all up until Saturday, which was yesterday, and earlier this morning it has taken a very steep incline, and right now declining in value, likely to decline a little bit further down to around 45 cents in value before it shoots back up in value later on in mid to late December, heading to around 70 to 73 cents, and early 2025 it should be able to head up to around 75 to 80 cents in value is what my predictions are at the moment. Yes, it's not a major increase from where it is at the moment, but what we want to see is a slow and steady increase in value rather than just a steep incline, because what happens is exactly what you're seeing now, then it starts to decline in value. So that is not really sustainable. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up nearly about 800% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.66 billion in trading, which is again a huge increase. However, over the last week the trading volume was stuck around $200 million, 140 million, all up until earlier this morning, where it literally started to shoot up all the way up to 2.66 billion. So that in itself shows how much money is being traded on this crypto, and a lot of people are trading the crypto right now. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting the Sandbox to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.